Welcome to a new video, guys. In this video we are going to make a simple cannon assembly. So here you can see the drawing of this assembly. In this assembly there are total 5 parts: the wheels, side plates, two different type of pins and cannon body. So we will make the each part separate and then we will assemble it. So let's start with the drawing. So we will make the first pin, the pin in green color. So take new document, part design, select OK. Then you have to select front plane, again sketch, make it normal, it will automatically be normal. Then start drawing. Okay, so first step, the total first you have to draw a circle here. Okay, then go to smart dimension, select the circle and give diameter 78 and enter. Okay, so we need to extrude this part up to 110 mm. Okay, so enter 110 mm, again enter. Okay, again on this surface go to sketch, make it normal. So the second part will having diameter of 82. So here again make a circle, go to smart dimension, give dimension of 582, enter. Okay, then again go to features, extruded boss base, and the total length of this part will be 90 mm. So select 90 mm, enter, again enter. Okay, so now we will draw the third step. Again select this face, sketch, make it normal, take a circle here, make a circle from origin. Okay, escape and go to smart dimension and give this circle dimension of 120, enter. Again go to features, extruded boss base. So we have to extrude this part with 440 mm. So change this 90 mm with 440 mm, enter, again enter. Okay, again we have to repeat the process. Select this face, sketch, make it normal, again select the circle, escape, smart dimension, give the dimension of 82 here, 82, enter. Okay, and again features, extruded boss base, the length will be again 90, enter, enter. Again we need to select this face, sketch, make it normal and make a circle. Okay, just a minute, this sketch is open, I think so. Okay, exit the sketch, again select the face, sketch, make it normal, select a circle, make a circle from origin, escape, smart dimension, give the dimension of diameter 78 and select enter. Then go to features, extruded boss base, and the length will be 110 mm and enter. Okay, so here you can see the pin is symmetrical. So now we have to give the fillet here at the end of the pin. Okay, so go to here, fillet, and select chamfer. Okay, here select the length 5 mm only and angle will be 45 degrees. So select the edge here, we need to chamfer this one and again this one also, and select OK. Select this part, go to colors, and as you can see in drawing, select the green color here and OK. Go to files, save as. We will give this part name Canon part 1. Okay, and we will select this, save this in Canon assembly, save. Okay, done. Now let's draw the second part. Second part is also a pin but with different dimensions. So select new part design. Okay. Again select the front plane, sketch. It will automatically be normal. Then select circle here again. Make a circle from origin. Okay. Then go to smart dimension and give the circle dimension of diameter 60. Okay. Done. And extrude this part with 60 mm. Okay. Again select this face, go to sketch, make it normal, select a circle, make a circle from origin, escape, give the circle dimension of diameter 95 mm and enter. Okay, so we will extrude this part with 440 mm. Go to 440 and again enter and again enter. Again we need to select this part, sketch, make it normal, again make a circle here, smart dimensions, give this part smart dimension of diameter 60, enter, and the length of this part again will be 60 mm only and enter. Okay, here also we need to give the fillet, so not fillet actually, chamfer. So select chamfer, again the dimensions will be same, 5 mm and 45°. Select this edge, again select this edge and okay. So this part is also done. Okay, select this part, go to colors. As per the assembly, we are going to make this part a dark blue. Okay. Okay, done. Again go to files, save as. We will save this part as Canon part 2. Enter. Okay, so as you can see in the drawing, we are finished this pin and again this pin. Now we need to draw the side plates. Okay, so okay, so now we are making the third part, the side plates. So here go to the files, new file, part design. Okay, so this is a very complicated drawing as you can see here. So we will start from the origin. Let's start. Take a line. Okay, select the origin point, go vertical. Okay, again select the line, make a horizontal line here, again vertical line, again a horizontal line, again vertical line, again horizontal line, and again a big vertical line, again a horizontal line, a vertical line, horizontal line. So we are basically making a raw shape here. This is not with proper dimension. So now we will give this parts dimension. Okay, go to smart dimensions, select this one, give this one dimension of 200 mm, enter. Again select this one is also 200 mm, again enter. Now select this one is 100 mm. Okay, so it is already correct. Then select this line will be of around 550 mm, select, enter. Okay, again we need to select this line and make it 100 mm, enter. And again we need to select this one is also 200 mm, and the total vertical height is here 500 mm only. Okay, again we need to select this one is 200 mm, again this part will be 100 mm only, and this part from this point to the end point, this will be 400 mm, enter. Okay, so the sketch is done I think here. So here we will make a line. Okay, take this line from this point, make a line, and we will select arc. So let's go for a tangential arc. Select this one. Okay, skip. Again select the arc, select this point and this point. Okay, escape. Then we will give the dimensions. So the radius of this arc will be 38 mm. 380. Enter. Okay, so there are 4 holes in this drawing. Okay, so exit smart dimension. First let's give the fillet. So all fillets are in 20 mm radius. Okay, so first we will change this 10 mm from 10 to mm and select all the edges. Select this edge, again this edge, this edge, this edge also, again this one, this one, this one, and I think so right, this one. So change the parameter with 20 mm and okay, 20 mm fillets, and inside here we are going to make the fillet of 40 mm. So enter 40 mm, select this one and this one, again select okay. So now we will make holes. So go to the circle, here make a raw circle and give the dimension of diameter 60. Okay, so as we can see here, the position of this hole is in line with this line. Okay, so the vertical distance will be here 100 mm, and this hole is on the center point of this line. So this is 200. So again the vertical distance will be 100 and horizontal distance also be 100. Select this point, this line, make it 100 and enter. So now it is defined. Again select a circle, go to the base, here second circle, smart dimensions, give the smart dimension of 80 mm, enter. Okay, so position of this hole is 300 mm below this one. So the vertical distance will be 300 mm, enter. And these two holes are inline, so let's select this point, center of this, and again center of this, and make it vertical. Okay, so it will be defined. Now we will make the third hole here. So go to circles, make here a third hole, go to smart dimensions, again give this dimension diameter of 80 mm. So the center distance between these two holes are 750 mm. Okay, and the vertical distance is 100 mm from this line. So this line and this point will be 100 mm. Okay, so now this is defined, and the last one hole we are making here, I guess. Okay, so the dimensions are, the diameter of this hole is 50 mm, and the positioning of hole, the vertical distance from this point is 150 mm. So make it 150, enter. And the horizontal distance is 250 mm from this point. Select this point, and make the horizontal distance 250 mm. Done. Okay, so exit the sketch. Here you can see our proper sketch. Go to extruded boss base and select this sketch, I think so. Okay, so here you can see the holes are not properly made. So we will do one thing, we will open the sketch again and then go to features, extruded boss base. Okay, and then make it 50 mm, enter, and okay, so this part is also done. Now we will select this part, go to colors, make it dark red, and okay. So let's save this part. Go to files, save as. We will save this part as Canon part 3. Okay, so this part is finished here. Okay, so now let's make the fourth part. So the fourth part is the wheels of the Canon. So for making this wheels, we'll go to the again part design. Okay, so here select the top plane, sketch. Okay, then make a circle here. The diameter of circle will be 500 mm. Enter. Okay, and we will extrude this circle with 130 mm. Enter, and okay. Okay, so now we are going to make chamfers. So select chamfer, distance will be 20 mm and angle will be 45 mm. Then select this edge. Okay, and okay. So now the chamfer is given here. So let's select this face, sketch. So there are some holes on this wheel. Okay, so let's first make the center hole. The center hole is having diameter of 78. So give the diameter of 70 mm. Enter, and we will cut this. Go to extrude cut. Here select through all, and okay. Again select this face. Select this face, sketch, and let's make the holes in pattern. So let's take a center line. Okay, escape. Then make a circle with diameter of 200 mm. Smart dimensions 200 mm, and okay. So this will be our pitch circle. So select this circle, make it for construction, and okay. Again select a circle, and on this coincide point make a circle with diameter 62. So diameter will be 62 mm. Enter, again enter. So we will pattern this circle. So go to circular pattern, introduce to pattern, select the circle, and okay. So here you can see this is not properly defined. So let's merge this point. Okay, select the center point of this circle and select this line, make it coincide, and okay. Okay, so this is not properly coincided. Again select the center point, this horizontal line, and coincide. Okay, so now you can see the sketch is properly defined. Go to features, extruded cut, again select through all, and okay. So the holes are made through all here. So what we are going to do, we are going to again make a cut here, but we are making cut in cross section or cut section. Okay, so let's select the right plane and make the cut section of right plane. Okay, make it normal, normal again, and select okay. So now we are going to sketch on right plane sketch, and make it normal, again make it normal. Okay, then we are going to make a horizontal center line here. Okay, center line, and escape, select a line, make a line from here to end, not till end, make a line till here. Okay, and escape, again take a line and make a line from here to here. Okay, so now we will give the dimensions. So here give the smart dimension of 380 divided by 2 and enter. So it will be 190. Again select the bottom line and give the dimension of 340 divided by 2. It will be 170. This vertical line will be having depth of 20 mm only. Enter and join these two lines. So it will automatically be defined. So we are going to make a extrude cut, not extrude cut. We are going to make a revolve cut here. Select revolve cut and OK. And then switch off the section view. So now here you can see the proper cut. This is looking very good. Same cut we are making here, but not with the same procedure. Easily we will select the okay. So we need to make a plane here. So select the top plane and go to reference geometry plane. We will make a plane on 130 divided by 2. So 65 mm we will make a plane and OK. Now for mirror patterns, select mirror and features to mirror. What we are going to mirror? We are going to mirror the revolve cut and mirror face is plane 1. Here you can see the preview. Then select OK and hide the first plane. So now then this wheel is done properly. Okay. So save this part. Go to file, save as, name the part with Canon part 4 and enter. So this part is done. Okay, so now we will make the last and most important part of this assembly, the cannon body. Okay, for making this cannon body we have to go to the part design. Okay, we need to select front plane, make it normal and sketch. So in this drawing we are simply going to add the material with revolve. So we will use this feature, revolve workspace. For this feature we are going to make a drawing here. So first we will make a horizontal center line. Okay, done. Escape. So let's extend this line up to here. We will start drawing from the origin. First take a line, make here a vertical line. Okay, select this point, center line and bottom point, make it symmetry and okay. Then go to smart dimension, give this part dimension of 110 mm. Enter. Okay, then make a horizontal line here. This will be only having length of 4 mm only. Again we are going to make a center line here and take a circle, give the circle smart dimension of diameter 50 and simply select this circle and this point, make it coincide and OK. And again select this point and this circle, make it coincide again. OK. So go to trim to closes, trim this part, we don't need this part and OK. Now again make a vertical line here. Okay, select upper point, middle line and bottom point, make it symmetric and OK. Give the length of 250 mm here. 250 mm, enter, and the distance will be around 550 mm. So select this line and this line, distance will be 550 mm, enter, okay, done. And simply join the endpoints. So we'll join this point with this, escape. Again, with same dimensions, we are going to make a offset entity. Okay, so we are not making this all entities offset. Go to offset entity, select this line only. Okay, so here the offset is selecting whole pattern. So what we will do, we will select this one and Control C, copy, and we will paste it here. Okay, so pick the line, drag here, again upper point, center line, bottom point, make it symmetric, and okay, give the smart dimension of again 250 mm. Okay, and the distance between these two lines are 200 mm only. Done. Now join these points. Now the next step will be, here we are again making a line with length of 200 mm. Okay, so make a line, vertical line, select upper point, center line, bottom point, make it symmetric, and okay. Again go to smart dimensions, give this line dimension of 200 mm. Here the center to center, okay, so the distance between these two lines are only 80 mm. We will extend this line. Okay, and simply we are making a horizontal line here. Escape, again a horizontal line, and coincide. Okay, so now the next step will be same. We are making a circle of diameter 50. So go to center line, make a line here, select circle, give the diameter 50 here, enter, select this circle, this end point, make it coincide, and okay. Again select this point, this circle, make it coincide, and okay. Trim the extra part that we don't need, so we don't need this part. Okay, so again here the vertical length of this line will be 200 mm. So again make here a line, make it symmetric, you know the steps. Okay, and give the dimension of 200 mm, and draw a line from this point to this point, and this distance will be again 200 mm. Enter. Now here make a center line, make a circle of diameter 50. Okay, so change it from 500 to 50 mm. Enter. Select this circle, this end point, make it coincide. Okay, Again select this line and this circle, make it coincide, and okay. Trim the extra part. Okay. So now this line will be vertical distance of 140 mm. So make it symmetric. Okay, and give the distance of 140 mm. Enter, and the distance between these 2 points are 150 mm. Make a line here and escape. So again we need to make here a line with, I guess, the length of 110 mm. Select this line, make a vertical line, make it symmetric. Smart dimensions, give the smart dimension of 110 mm. Enter, and this distance will be 57 mm. So give the smart dimension of 57. First we need to draw a simple line here from this point to, okay. We need to draw a horizontal line from here. This is perfect now. And make this distance 57 mm. Enter. Okay. Now we are going to make the end with a circle. This circle having the diameter of 120 mm. Simply intersect this line with this point and make it coincide. Okay. Select okay. Now trim the extra part. We don't need this part, and okay. So we need this part for this vertical dimension. So we will make this in for construction, and okay. Again we need to trim this part. Go to trim this one also. Select okay. Also trim, we will trim this one. Select okay. Again we are selecting this line and make it for construction, and we will connect this line only. So select this line, connect these 2 points with line, and escape. Again here make this line for construction. Okay, this line will be again from construction. This line will be also for construction. We don't need all these lines, so simply we'll make it for construction. And here we'll make this line for construction again, and make a vertical line here from this point to center line. Okay, so we will simply go to features, revolve boss base, axis of revolution. We will select this one. Okay, so our sketch is open. Okay, so let's make a center line here. Go to sketch, select a line, make line from this point to the end point. Escape. Now go to features and revolve boss base. Axis of revolution will be this. There is a mistake in our drawing. Make it normal. Exit the sketch. So what is the mistake here? Okay, so this line is our mistake. Okay, so again open this sketch and make this line for construction. And okay, now go to the features, revolve boss base. Okay, and here you can see the revolution. Okay, here we make a one mistake. This dimension was not 250 mm from this, so we will delete this dimension. This dimension is 250 mm from the here 125 mm only, and select OK. Now here you can see, go to features, not revolve boss base. We need to make the total length of 1319 mm. So go to smart dimension, select the origin point and select the center of this circle. Make it 1390. Okay. Delete this line and give the smart dimension of. Okay, so we are over defining this sketch. We need to delete this 57. Now you can give the proper dimension here. Smart dimension, select the center of this circle and the origin point. Give the dimension of 1390 mm. Enter. And here give the dimension of 125 mm. Why we are over defining this? This is 110. This will be 125 mm. Okay, so we will again make a change here. We will make this line of 50. Smart dimensions, select a line here and make this line of 25 mm. Okay, so here this dimension will be 125 mm, but this is not expecting this dimension. Okay, so now this is defined properly. Go to features, first exit the sketch, go to features, revolve boss base, select the axis of revolution and select OK. And as per the drawing, we are going to make a hole here. For making this hole, we need to take the cut section of this top plane and make cut section, make it normal. Okay, select OK. And here we are making a hole on top plane. So let's take a center line from here. Go inside this one and make it horizontal. Okay, then we will draw a circle here of having diameter of 95 mm. Diameter of 95 mm on the enter, and this circle will be 645 mm from this line. From this line, this will be 645 mm. Enter, and exit the sketch. Go to features, extruded cut, make it through all both, and okay. So this part is done now. Select this part, go to colors, again make it light red, and okay. So now save this file. We'll give this file name Canon part 5. This is our final part. Enter. So this part is done here now. Okay. So as you can see here, we are going to assemble all these parts. Okay. For this assembly, go to new assembly, select okay. So this is our first video we are making our assembly. So let's select the part 3 and open it. So part 3 will come here, place it here. What we need to draw, what we are going to do, we will first make a right click, make it float. We are going to make the plane of this part with the plane of this sketching plane. So select the front plane and this front plane, made this. Again select the top plane, this top plane, made this. And again select right plane and this right plane, and made this. Okay, and select this part. Okay, select this part and make it fixed now. So this part is fixed now. Simply we will insert the parts with the proper numbering. So here go to insert component, and in insert component we are going to first insert the small pin. So open Canon part 2, place this pin here. Okay, go to mates, select this part, this face, and this inner face, and okay, this part is moving. So we are going to again make this. So select this face and this face, and made this. Okay, now we are inserting the first pin we are making in this video. So insert component, Canon part number 1, open it here. Again go to mates, select this face and this inner cylindrical face, and okay. Again pull this out, select this face and this inner face. Okay, we need a same copy of this part, so press Ctrl and drag this part, so it will make a same copy of this part. Okay, so again we are going to give the mates, select mates, select this inner part and this external part, select okay, pull this part out, again select this face and this inner face, and okay. So these parts are assembled properly. Again we need a this part again, so press Ctrl, drag this part out. Okay, and go to mates, select this inside hole, this one, and make it concentric. Again pull this part out and select this face. Okay, not this one, delete this one. Select this inner face and this face, make it concentric, and okay. Now again pull this part out, go to mates, select the inner surface and this inner surface. Now this is proper in position and select OK. Now we are going to join the wheels here. Go to insert component, select Canon part 4 and open it. So this is our wheel. We will make the same 4 copies. So select control, drag 1, 2, 3. So now we are having 4 wheels. So let's go to mates, select this inner cylindrical surface and this outer surface and OK. Drag this part out, select this edge, this surface and the inner surface of the wheel. OK. Repeat this same procedure. Select inner cylindrical surface, this outer cylindrical surface. OK. Pull it away. Then select this inner surface and the internal surface of this wheel. Again, OK. Select this cylindrical surface, inner cylindrical surface and OK. Pull it here. Select this little inner surface and internal surface of this wheel. Select OK. Last wheel, select inner cylindrical surface. Again this one. Select OK. Pull this wheel here. Okay, so this cylindrical surface is not selected properly. Again select this one and OK. And pull this wheel here. Select this inner surface and this little surface here and select OK. So now the wheels are properly assembled. Let's assemble the final part. Go to insert component, select Canon part 5, open this, grab it here. Okay, select this cylindrical surface and again select this one and select OK. So it will be like this. So it is moving now. This is not fixed. So we will make it fixed. Okay. So go to advanced mate. In advanced mate, you are getting a option here, width. So select this inner surface, again this one, and in second selection select this part, this face. So it will be properly in center. Make it okay. So here you can see this is not now moving horizontally. So this Canon is done now. You can drag it like this and okay. So in this video we are finished this assembly. As you can see here, as per the drawing, this assembly is done properly. So save this assembly, go to files, save as, and name it Canon assembly 111 and save this in Canon assembly. Save. So this is all for today guys.